Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Just had a bit of rain a few hours ago. Luckily for me, I was at Martin Tattoo Studio. You have to be a bit careful. I think there's some dirt and stuff on the tyres. Pays to be a bit extra cautious. Feels a bit hazy after this rain. Nice and warm, but yeah, I could feel the rain in my knees with the arthritis and the rest of my parts of my body. Yeah, I went and had a look at some scooters today, or motorcycles. I saw one for rent that I liked, and they give me a good price, better than the one I'm on now. But ideally I want to buy one. I've got the cash for it, so I do have to return this one on the 24th, so yeah. Yeah, like my Thai friend at the shop, he rang and spoke to a guy with a really good Zuma X, but a guy was already there doing a financial deal, you know, so even though I offered cash, they make more money off this guy with the financing. So a bit of a shame, but I can't blame him. Normally when it comes to cash, you know, they, oh yes, but in the long run, the big picture, they get a payment every month, I believe. I went and looked at this other place and they were like outrageous prices, and the two Zuma X's didn't even have indicators front and back. And I said to him, I said, oh, the police will fine me for this, and he thought I was insulting him. Like, you know, like the price was absolutely terrible. So I had a look on my friend's Facebook Messenger, Marketplace, and there's some good deals there. Yeah, it's this place up here on the left. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend it if you're looking to buy one. Yeah. I think someone on YouTube actually recommended them, so yeah, that sun's a bit bright in the eyes. I took off my sunglasses. Yeah, it always pays to be a bit cautious after a heavy rain, because all the grease and oils on the road, they all get washed onto the pavement and can be a bit slippery in areas. Yeah, here's a little shortcut here. It saves you going up to the police box and dealing with the one-way traffic due to some roadworks and drain pipes being built. Yeah, there was a bike place out at Pattaya East I wanted to have a look at, but yeah, like a rain for like an hour or so, I might go out there tomorrow. I've got it booked in for a tattoo appointment tomorrow evening. Yeah, I've been pumping out heaps of these random shorts. Yeah, it's just some fun, you know. Yeah, it's always nice when you get smiles and nods and stuff, you know. It really makes me feel happy, you know. There were a few other countries on the board that I looked at retiring to, and of course Thailand was high on my list, mostly because I've got friends here I consider as family, and also Thais are always, not always, but they smile a lot, you know, even though there can be communication issues like the Philippines. I thought about because the English side of the game, but I don't know much about their culture. I think their culture's more Americanized, like they speak with their American accent, and not huge on the Philippine culture. That's just my opinion, but someone will probably correct me on that anyway, and that's okay. I'm not trying to offend anyone. And I find that Thailand, you know, it's just nicer, and there's so much here for me. I should have went and filmed that Nasha nightclub. Keep forgetting. Could do it. I'll do that next tomorrow. Oh, look at this bloke. I'll see if I can get a picture of this. He's probably disabled. Yeah, he is. He's got crutches. Awesome. I like your ride, mate. Oh, Australia.
I thought England.
Oh, England. Okay. You live here now?
Yes, I live part-time here. 8 months, 7 months here, and then in summertime I'm going back to Germany.
Oh, okay, yeah. Beautiful. Yeah, I live here now. Yeah, I come here because I've got osteoarthritis.
Right.
And I need the heat. And yeah, I'm already feeling a lot better. All right, mate, look after yourself. Have fun. See, guys, that's what I was just talking about, you know, like, even though he's not Thai, yeah, he's out here and he was friendly, and he's got disabilities like myself, and he's enjoying life. And that's what it's about, guys. Obviously this windsock must work well on these Rode Go Wireless 2 mics. I haven't heard any feedback when I've been playing them back, so awesome investment, I think. I've messed about with my other headset. Just going to pop into the shop. Alright, I shall see you all on the next episode, and thanks for tuning in. And I hope you're enjoying. Thanks, guys and girls.